According to a wild myth, it's possible to play tennis on the wing of an airplane, a stunt Novak Djokovic once appeared to perform, inspiring the Mythbusters to put the idea to the test. First, they set up giant fans around a tennis court to study how wind affects the ball. At 15 miles per hour, the game was normal, and even at 35 miles per hour, the shots were tricky but manageable after a short adjustment. Since a real in-flight test wasn't feasible, the team mounted a 12-meter airplane wing onto the top of a pickup truck, and 2 volunteers tried playing while it accelerated. The wind and shaking surface made it nearly impossible for amateur players who barely managed more than a few hits. But when professional tennis players stepped in, everything changed. Despite the wind blast, they maintained balance and pulled off long rallies. Conclusion: playing tennis on top of a plane is extreme and risky, but with skill and proper equipment, it's actually possible.